Let's get started with Addictive Drums 2 by downloading, installing, and authorizing the software. Now I've already got the website open. That's www.xln.audio.com. The first thing you want to do is either create an account or log in. It's pretty easy to create an account. Just enter your name, your email address, some basic information. You can create your own password, and then some other simple information like your address and so on. If you already have an account, just click Login at the very top right here, enter your registered email address, and the password that you set. And then just click Login. Now once we're logged into an account, we can either go to the web shop and select the bundle you'd like to purchase, or if you've already purchased a bundle, you should have a product key, either from XLN Audio or perhaps from an email from an online retailer. Your product key is going to look like this. Keep that handy because you'll need that as we register the product. Next, you're going to want to get the online installer, either for Windows or Mac. The installation guide on the website has these installers right there in the middle. Or you can go to the Downloads page and choose the online installer. I've got a Windows machine, so I'll select the Windows Online Installer. On Windows, I always choose to save the file rather than to open it, and that should take just a few moments to download. Once the download is complete, we can go find the installer. Windows users, you can go to the Start menu and choose Downloads. If you're a Mac user, you'll typically see a Downloads folder down in your dock, or you can locate downloads for your account using the Finder. In your Downloads folder, look for the XLN Online Installer. You'll notice this README file that says Extract all files before installing. If the downloaded folder is not extracted or unzipped, you'll want to make sure that it is unzipped. Typically, on Windows, you can right-click and choose Unzip or Extract. I use 7-Zip. You may use a different utility. It looks like it's already extracted. So I'll open the folder, and I'm going to choose to install the XLN Online Installer 64-bit. That's because my operating system is 64-bit, and so are my host applications like Pro Tools and so on. And here's the XLN Audio Online Installer. Right off the bat, you're going to need to log in again using this installer software. So once again, I'll enter my email address and the password I used to register the product. If you haven't created an account yet, you can also create the account here. I'll use my existing account. And once again, I'll log in. Now it's going to ask you to register your computer. This allows XLN Audio to identify your computer as a unique machine so that it can properly register your product. You can give your computer any computer name. I'll just call mine Audio PC, and the computer ID is automatically generated. Next, I'll choose my computer type. I've got a tower, and then I'll add some basic information about my computer. I'm running Windows 7 64-bit, approximate CPU speed, and so on. And then I'll add my computer. Now I need to register my product key. That's the example that I gave you a few moments ago. Before you enter your product key, select how you purchased your product, and then we can enter the product key. If your product key came in an email, just copy it from the email and paste it to this white field. Then click Register Product Key. Now I'm registered and I've got products to choose from. Below we'll see all of the available packs. I've got the XXL Studio Bundle. You might have a different bundle. My XXL Studio Bundle allows me to choose from any of 6 AD packs, 6 MIDI packs, and 6 kit piece packs. I'll start with the AD packs. So now I get to choose from 6 of these different AD packs. Depending on the bundle you purchase, you'll be able to choose from either 1, 2, 3, or 6 of each of the 3 different pack types. So I've selected the 6 AD packs that I want. Once I've made my selection, I'll go to the bottom right of this section and click the yellow Get Deal button. And now I have the 6 selected AD packs ready to install. Now my XLN Online Installer is already installed, but you see it needs repair. If you see something like that, go ahead and do that. Also, you want to make sure that you install XLN Cloud Sync and Addictive Drums 2. In my case, I've already done that. And now we can begin installing my AD packs. You can install these in any order, just make sure that Addictive Drums 2 is installed first. Before we start installing the AD packs, let's look at advanced options. This is where you can set the path for the AD packs. Because they take a lot of space, you may want to choose a different location, like a secondary drive. If you do have a secondary drive, I recommend you save it there. So I'll choose my D drive and I'll make a new folder just for my Addictive Drums content. And once you've selected your installation path, just click Apply and we can continue to installation. Just click the Install button next to one of the AD packs to begin the download and installation. This is going to both download and install the AD pack, and you'll notice it's going to take a while depending on your internet speed. Once the first AD pack is complete, just click Install on the next AD pack. You'll need to do one of these at a time. So since this is going to take a while, we'll break away and come back once my install is complete. Okay, so all of my AD packs have now been downloaded and installed. Let's move on to the MIDI packs and the kit piece packs. We can find those by going back to Register Product. And you'll see as I scroll down that I still have 6 MIDI packs and 6 kit piece packs to install. So I'll select the MIDI packs to choose from, and in my case I'll choose 6 of these. Again, depending on the Addictive Drums 2 bundle you've purchased, you may be able to pick 1, 2, 3, or 6. And once I've made my selection, I'll click Get Deal again. And for the MIDI packs, it's automatically going to start downloading and installing. This is because they're much smaller than the very large AD packs. Once my MIDI packs are installed, we can return to Register Product, scroll down, and then we'll get to choose from the kit piece packs. Again, I get to choose 6 of these kit piece packs. You may have a different number of selections. So I'll select 6 of these, and finally I'll click Get Deal once again. And once those are ready to go, I can just click this button here that says Click to install all 6. This will download and install all of my kit piece packs. Depending on how many you download and install, it may take a few moments, but once it's done, you can click OK to complete. And now all of your registration and installation is done. If you want to go through the steps in more detail, there is the installation guide built into the XLN online installer, so you could check that out as well. In our next video, we'll explore the standalone version of Addictive Drums 2, starting with the top section. Thanks for watching.